Nanatsugama Five-stages Waterfall is located in Nishizawa Valley of Yamanashi Prefecture. It is a 2-hour walk from the entrance of Nishizawa Valley to Nanatsugama Five-stages Waterfall. Look at the color of the water flowing through the river. Notice how it is very mysteriously blue in color. It is strikingly beautiful. You can enjoy various waterfalls in Nishizawa Valley. I went to Nishizawa Valley in summer, but those that live here say the most beautiful time to visit is in autumn, when the leaves change color, usually from mid-October to early November. Here is the Nanatsugama Five-stages Waterfall. The stream of blue water is flowing down this waterfall in 5 steps. There is a 10-kilometer hiking course that goes around the Nanatsugama Five-stages Waterfall, and it takes about 4 hours.